Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, and this is just a real quick update video showing y'all how to get a particular watch face for your CMF Watch Pro or your CMF Watch Pro 2. And I'm very disappointed, but hopefully CMF can release an update to fix this. So, I've been getting a lot of questions as to how you get this watch face right here. The Digital Digits watch face. Now, originally, when I did my first review using the iPhone, when I synced up my CMF Watch Pro 2 to the iPhone, that watch face was already in there. But I was getting a lot of questions as to how I got that watch face because it looks like a lot of Android users did not have that watch face. Okay? And I was like, oh, that can't be right. The CMF Watch Pro is supposed to be uniform across all devices. Well, I finished up my iOS review for the CMF Watch Pro 2, and I deleted it from my iPhone. Like, I did a fresh install. So I hit forget, and I did desync, so it completely unpaired the CMF Watch Pro 2 from the iPhone. And then I set it up as if it was a brand new device on my Google Pixel 6a. Okay? And if y'all check out that video I released a few days ago, that watch face, the Digital Digits watch face, was not in there. And I'm like, what? Oh no. This can't be true. And so I'm like, okay, I'll just keep checking for updates. So every day I do at least one update check, thinking that maybe CMF will release an update to fix that, because you should really have all the watch faces across the board, because this particular smartwatch is universal, right? So it's going to work on iOS, and it's also going to work on Android, right? So for the last 4 days, I've just been checking for updates every day. Every day I'm checking for updates. Checking for updates on the software, checking for updates on the watch, coming back clean. And then I'm like, you know what? Let me just try this little technique and see if it works. So what did I do? Right? I signed back in to my CMF account on my iPhone, right? Cool. Then what I did was I connected up. You can see it says I'm signed in on another device. Okay. Then I connected back up the CMF Watch Pro 2 to my iPhone, right? Then I signed in over here on my iPhone. It signed me out over here on my Pixel device. And then lo and behold, when I signed back in and connected the CMF Watch Pro 2 to my iPhone, okay, lo and behold, this watch face, the Digital Digits watch face, popped up in the digital watch faces area on the iPhone in the application. I'm like, what? At that point, I was like, whoa, hold on. Okay? Then I went back over to my Android device. Okay? And I'm swiping through. And I'm like, oh yeah, it's not there. What? Alright. So I'm like, okay. It's signed in over here. I got it. I loaded it onto the watch. Boom. Y'all can see it's loaded right there. Then I turned off Bluetooth on my iPhone. Okay? Connected back up the watch via Bluetooth on my Pixel device, my Android device, and signed back in to my CMF account on my Android Pixel device. And lo and behold, boom, there it is. And so now, when I went to my watch faces, I saw the digital digits time watch face. Right there. So now, not only is the watch face on my Android device, but if I sign back into my account on my iOS device, you will see that same watch face, right? Something, oh wow, so they really did make a watch face OS exclusive. I was like, oh, that's not cool. Because this is supposed to be a universal smartwatch. It's supposed to work across whatever device you have. Whether it be Android or iOS, it's supposed to work. But apparently, it looks like CMF has made certain watch faces exclusive to certain OSs. But that, guys and gals, is the workaround that I found for it. So that's how I was able to get the digital digits time watch face on my Android device and on my watch, as well as on my iOS device, okay, and on my watch, okay? So I just wanted to make this quick little video showing you guys and gals how to do that, right? And then another thing that I thought was interesting here is the layout is different on Android than it is on iOS. And I talked about this in an older video, but you can see on Android we get quick replies for text messages, right? But on iOS, okay, if I sign out and I sign in on my iOS device, let me sign in. Give me a second. We don't get that. So if I click sign in, let me click on one of my Google accounts. Let me verify. And then it signs me in. Okay. And now it wants me to connect the Bluetooth. We're going to hit close. Right. But if I sign in, I'm going to leave it disconnected because it's connected to my Pixel right now. But if I sign in here and we go over here, actually, it's only going to populate the options if I connect the watch. So hold on. Let me turn off Bluetooth over here. But y'all saw it for yourselves. Turn off Bluetooth over here. Boom. Let me turn on Bluetooth over here. Turn that Bluetooth on. And let's get it to connect. So we're going to hit reconnect. And it should reconnect here. Boom, there it is. And now it's reconnected to my Apple device. But you can see, look here. Notice how we lost some options there? Look at that. So there it is. Not only are they making watch faces exclusive for certain OSs, but you're getting certain options only on certain devices, right? So you can see on iOS, we don't have the quick replies for text messages. But on Android, we do have the quick replies for text messages. So it looks like CMF is making certain features exclusive to certain OSs. Okay? So if you are an iOS user, you're not going to have as many features as if you were an Android user, right? And you may get certain exclusive watch faces on iOS that you may not get on Android. I'm not a fan of that. I'm not a fan of that at all. Especially considering, let me sync this back up to my Android device. So let's turn off Bluetooth over here. Flip that down. Especially considering that this smartwatch is supposed to be universal. So regardless of whether or not if you have an Android device or an iOS device, this bad boy is just supposed to work. Okay? And it wants me to sign back in over here. Let me sign back in over here. And let me sign back into my Google account over here. Let me click this account. and then it should sync back up, and it's connecting back up. There you go. So I am not a fan of that at all, right? Because regardless of whatever device I have, I want it to be able to work with my smartwatch. And I want to have all the same features regardless of whatever device I use. Okay? So CMF, I'm going to need y'all to fix that, man, because that's clearly a software issue, right? Clearly. But that, guys and gals, does it for this real quick video here today. I just wanted to walk everyone through how you would get the digital digits watch face on your Android device or on your iOS device if you don't have it. So basically, if you want it on Android, you're going to need an iOS device, right? If you want it on iOS, you're going to need an Android device, okay? Because these are exclusive watch faces and features. And also, if you want the quick replies for text messages, you're going to need an Android device because that's only available on Android, okay? But if you want the digital digits watch face, you're going to need an iOS device because I guess it's only available on iOS. Again, CMF, fix this, okay? This is a universal smartwatch. These features should be available across the OSs. You need to have quick replies and watch faces available across the OSs. It should not be exclusive to certain devices, and it should not be exclusive to certain OSs. Alright? Hope you guys and gals enjoyed this quick video, or as quick as I can make it anyway. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. I hope everyone's having a great day. Hope everyone is staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everyone. We're out of here. Catch you in the next one. Peace. Alright. Oh, and also, I almost forgot. Please also remember, if this video piqued your interest, all the links where you can pick up everything featured in today's video will be available down below in the video description. And the video description will contain affiliate buy links, meaning if you decide to make your purchases on anything featured in the video, I will get a small percentage of commission if you use the links available down below in the video description, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. And I do put all commission for the channel back into the channel, so that makes those affiliate buy links located in 85% of the video descriptions on my channel a win-win for everyone. Also, if you would like to see any more extended coverage on all of the CMF products that I've covered on the channel, I'll link up all of my CMF coverage down below in the video description as well. So down below in the video description will truly be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Today's video was recorded using the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. So please let me know how you guys and gals feel about the overall video quality as well as the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all of your guys and gals feedback is greatly appreciated, and remember to keep it respectful, please. Alright, we are out of here. I almost forgot the intro to plug everything. My bad, y'all. But I'll catch you guys and gals in the next one. Have a good one, everyone. We're out of here. Peace. I'm kind of really bummed out to see that they're making exclusive features for exclusive devices depending on the OS that you're running. I'm not a fan. Especially considering that if they did make a universal smartwatch with all the features available across the board, that will open up their product to more customers. So why limit features and functionality when if you bring all the features and functionality, you'll get more customers across the board? Think about it, CMF. Think about it. Anyways, we're out of here. I'm rambling. I'll catch you guys and gals on the next one. Have a good one. Peace. Did that peace 3 times, but it is what it is. Peace.